Hey everybody, this video got a American 1100. There's a key here. I did pick this several months ago actually, and did it in like 10 seconds. And when I pulled it apart, it was of course full of master wafers, is why it was so easy. So I took those out, made the key, and it's just been sitting here. So I'm going to try to pick it again now without the master wafers, and maybe get hopefully a okay video out of it. A little bit harder to pick without the master wafers in it. Okay. I think I'm just clicking through serrations here. There we go. And we're open. I'm going to go ahead and gut it here. This is one lock off my list here. Got a few more. And I can lock it back because I already made the key to it. Got this guy I've picked 3 times off camera because I had a lot of trouble taking it apart the first time I've picked it. And it's really stupid on my part doing it off camera to start with, even if I couldn't get it apart. At least I would have had it picked. So I ended up doing it 3 times to get the key made, and then I tried a few times to pick it on camera and have not been successful. Alright, so I've got key pins here. And then drivers. Okay, number 1 we have a spool pin. 2 we have a serrated pin. 3 we have a serrated pin. 4 serrated. And 5 also looks like a serrated pin. So there we have it. Oh, that's like an anti-bump pin or something, but it's in number 5. That's that guy looks like. So close up here. By close up I mean zoom out on accident. Alright, so anyway, there we go. So that's a American 1100 there, picked and gutted. And I'll put this back together, and then I've got this one to try. So I still need to make a key for it. It's in rough shape. The key blank goes in and out now without having to bang it with a screwdriver, so that's a good sign. And I got this one that I haven't even tried to pick yet, but I need to do that and make a key. And this one I picked a while ago, and I finally was able to impression it, cheating with the code machine. But anyway, that will do it for now, and we'll talk to everybody later.